Hello guys, welcome back. This is our last module for Introduction to Python. In this module, I will cover about while loop and infinite loop, breaking out of the loop, and also for loop. While loop. While loop is a repeated state. It's what as long as the condition is true. For example, n is 5 and n greater than 0, so it's true, and it will print n. So in the next line, and where we reduce 1, so it became 4, so 4 is greater than 0, so its condition is stay true, and it's go to 4, 3, 2, 1. In this case, 1 minus 1 will be the 0, so the condition is 4, so it will go to the false condition and will print plus of, and also the last number of the last value for n, so it's 0. So while loop works and the condition is as long as the condition is true. So let's start with code example. Yeah, in this case, I'm gonna print 1 to 5, and I have to write print 1, print 2 to 5, and then run it, so it will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will use while loop instead of printing all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will skip these code lines with while loop. I'll get number 0, y number less than 5. It will print. Okay, I will start from the 1. So 1 is less than 5, so it will print 1. We have to reduce the number. No, we have to add the number and plus 1. Print 10, and we will print the last value of n, last value of number. So let's change this number. Okay, let's run this. Now it shows 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, and the last number is 5. So if you want to print until 5, you need to add less than equal 5. So while loop do his job until the condition is true. If the condition false, it will out of the loop. Okay, let's try something else. How about the number will start from 5, y number greater than equal 0, print number, so that we have to reduce the number to make the condition false and out of the loop. Print 10, and also print number. Let's run this. So it will start from 5 to 0, and when the number is minus 1, it is not greater than 0 or equal, so it will out of the loop. What if we mess up with our while loop? In here, line number 5, instead of minus, we plus. We do plus and then run it, so the program keep going and going until we stop it or our computer memory runs out. So it can harm our computer and also our program, so it will never end. So how can we avoid kind of mistake? So we have to check our condition, our values. We have to make sure it's right. So in this case, it's a small problem, but for if you write some advanced program, it can be messed up. So how can we get out of this infinite loop? So we have to make the condition false if we want to break out of the loop. So we have to make the condition false. If not, it will run until we stop or the memory runs out. So let's go to PowerPoint slide. So kind of this situation is called infinite loop. So let's check this example program, and it's fine, and greater than 0 is true, and then here is print letter and rinse. So in this case, the condition is true. There is no ending point. So how can we stop the program? So that this will never dry off. So in this case, we can add some break in our program, or make the condition false. Maybe you can add n-1 after print rinse. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, n equal 5, y and greater than 0, print letter and rinse. Okay, let's run this. So it's repeating, right? There's no ending point until we stop. So we can add n equal n-1. So let's run again. Let's check the n number after the program. So it's 0. When n is 0, it stop. Let's break the loop by using break. Okay, you can use while loop with true. It's a boolean. While true is true, so it will run forever. While true, print 1. So it's going to run until we start it. Okay, let's get input from user and stop it. Input. Enter something. If you want to stop, type done. If data equal done, I will break. Okay, if not, X, I have to something. Hello. Let's check with our slide. Oh, just simple. So let's go back to our code. Print done. let's run. So in this case, let's read. So enter something, and if you want to and if you want to type them. Yes, it's a correction. Okay, let's type something. Jerry. Okay, hello, how about hi, hey, 1 2 3. So if you want to end this, just type done. Okay, it's done. So this is the thing you can end with a break by using break and while loop. How about adding something until we stop? Okay, while true. Let's write something, some program. While true. Number. Import, enter, and number. So if number equals 0, it will stop. It will break from the loop and then print. Then enter a number 1 2 3. Okay, we need to print our number. Print number. We run. One, two, three. So it's 2 4 6. How about adding 2? It's 4. How about adding 5? It's doubling the number as we write. So how about if we want to start? If we want to stop, just type 0, and it will stop. Okay, that's all for today, and our last chapter will be the for loop. Thank you.